Hello, Bill Molyneux here for Bill's History World with none other than Goober the Traveling Bear. And we are on top of Little Round Top in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Now, this is a pivotal position during the Battle of Gettysburg, especially on the second day. And if you've watched the movie Gettysburg, you know all about the 20th Maine. And we're going to walk over to that monument. But right now, you are seeing the rock outcropping. Well, that's Devil's Den. And the Confederate sharpshooters would be firing up here and firing on these cannons, the gunners and the officers. And several Union officers were killed up here on Little Round Top. Now our Union line stops here at Little Round Top and then follows for a good mile and a half along the line. And here's a new map, because Little Round Top's been totally redone. And you can see how you are here. Alright, well, Goober and I are going to go look to the Savior of Gettysburg, as many would call him, G.K. Warren statue. Well, here we are at the General Warren statue, and this is what he saw. And the Signal Corps, he is a Union officer, and he is an engineer officer. And G.K. Warren saw how critical this position was, and he hurried troops up here as quickly as he could. And you can see the Union lines out there. There's the Pennsylvania Monument.
It's nice that they have the pictures.
All right. Well, this is a different point of view from Little Round Top. And there is G.K. Warren. And then, of course, Goober the Traveling Bear says you need to visit Gettysburg. And don't forget, this video is helping to raise money for the Gettysburg Foundation. A little note on the artillery pieces here. Battery D, 5th U.S. Artillery, and these are 10-pounder Parrots. You can see by the reinforced breech. Okay. And of course, Little Round Top has just been totally revamped. I'll say the work the Park Service did here is incredible, and I am very happy that the money from this YouTube video that I'll make will get donated to the Gettysburg Foundation to help in projects like this. And there's Devil's Den. Don't give an inch. General Warren's call for help. Colonel Strong Vincent and his 1,300-man Union Infantry Brigade rushed to defend this hill and arrived none too soon, just as his men took position on the slopes below you. Texas and Alabamans of the General John B. Hood's division streamed out of the woods to your left. Rapid, deadly fire from Vincent's line drove them back, but Hood's men rallied and renewed the fight. Well, here we have Colonel Patrick O'Rourke's monument, and there are some that say you get good luck by rubbing his nose. I have no idea, but we'll see if Goober is blessed with a lottery ticket or something. All right, now we're coming up to a very large monument on Little Round Top. And of course, it overlooks Little Round Top. Look at that. What a beautiful view. And here we have the 44th New York Infantry, 5th Corps. What do you say we go up? And this is a beautiful monument. And as you can see, you have the list. You can't. The names of the men that fought here on Little Round Top. All right, we'll attempt the staircase. Okay. No. Well, we're up here at the top of the castle, and it's just beautiful and pristine out here. And of course, during July 2nd and 3rd, not so much so in 1863. All right, well, we're back down at ground level, and the Union troops built quite a bit of breastworks through here, piling up anything they could find, give them extra cover. All right, well, Goober says let's go find the 20th Maine monument, where Chamberlain gives the order to fix bayonets. All right, hold to the last. Responding to the crisis at Little Round Top, and without waiting for approval from his commanding officer, Union Colonel Strong Vincent took the responsibility of taking the brigade here. This is where he entrusted Joshua Chamberlain of the 20th Maine to hold the extreme far left of the line for the Union Army. Now we are going out to the 20th Maine monument. And what's interesting about this monument is it's on the far left, almost backside of Little Round Top. So when you're at Little Round Top, where we were just at, you actually have to cross the path, the street, get on this path, and walk down Little Round Top to the left rear. So it's not in the front of Little Round Top where all the monuments are. All right, and the 20th Maine, as Goober is reading this sign, laid on the second day, the 386 men of Colonel Joshua Chamberlain's 20th Maine Volunteers were anchored here on the far left. And then, of course, our Alabamas and Colonel William Oates of the 15th Alabama, 44th Alabama, I think 47th. And they had orders to take Little Round Top. Well, let's, and I gotta say, all the work the Park Service has done to revamp Little Round Top is amazing. Let's continue our walk to the 20th Maine Monument. All right, well, we have made it to the Little Round Top 20th Maine Monument. And there's no one here at the moment. And I'll give you a slowly pan, and you can see that there's the road intersection. If you go to the left of that road, you're going up Big Round Top. You go straight down that road, you're going to Devil's Den. And then if you follow the road to the right, that's to the top of Little Round Top. All right, I'm very fortunate. There's no tourists here. Even at 7:30 in the morning, there was a lot of tourists at Little Round Top on the other side. So this monument is for the 20th Maine. and 20th Maine, 3rd Brigade, 1st Division, 5th Corps. And it's a beautiful June 7th, 2024. The Goober and I are here trying to help promote history. Wow. The sacrifice that the Union soldiers made to hold this line, and the tales of this far left flank are really well portrayed in the movie Gettysburg. And if you haven't seen the movie Gettysburg, or you're not into Civil War long movies, because it's a long movie, I would at least say consider watching it, and just maybe go to the section of Little Round Top and watch that part of the movie, because what they did here was an amazing feat. And our little tour of Little Round Top, we're going to conclude here and say, as Goober would say, stay safe, be kind, be courteous, visit a historic site near you, and if you do come to Gettysburg, go to the far left side of Little Round Top and visit the 20th Maine Monument and see where the area is where the 20th Maine held. Thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you.